Man, I'm just loving this frog bite. I mean, it don't get much better than that right there. Let's see what he measures. He's gone. That was All right, welcome to Harvestlandtv. We're out on the river again. This is Ryan, my father-in-law. We're gonna be doing some bass fishing. I literally was just throwing the frog for a little bit, and it was my best frog that I ever had. And I just had a giant hit it, and I couldn't even reel him in, and he snapped the line. It was my bad. I had freaking monofilament on, and I should have retied, and I totally lost him. And so I'm shaking. But we're gonna see if we can get on a frog bite. He's throwing a Cinco as usual. But frogs are croaking. We're gonna throw the frog. So thanks for watching. If you first time at this channel, please hit that subscribe button. All the links below are the baits that I use. Anything that you buy there will help support this channel. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Oh gosh, get the net. Get the net, please. Oh man. Oh yeah, buddy. Woohoo! That's a nice one, dude. Remember, head first, head first. Oh, head first, head first. Okay, there you go. Yes! Yes, look at that fish. That's a 3-pounder. Yeah. I slowed my retrieve up a little bit. Oh, like I said, I got broke off on a big one earlier, bigger than this. Hey, look at that fish, man. That's a nice one. 3 times the charm. Now we're 0. Oh my, 3.8. 3.8. I think that's my biggest fish of the year right there. 3.83. Nice, dude. Off the frog, biggest fish of the year right there. Look at that chunk. Oh yeah. Yes. That's what I caught him on, just a little black guy. I usually do pretty good with a green and white belly one, but he took it. I slowed my retrieve down a lot, going fast and obnoxiously, and I just real subtly started walking it. All right, I'm gonna switch over there, Ryan. And I didn't freak out, everybody. I did not freak out this time. I did know that I needed the net though. Probably could have boat flipped him, but we got the net, why not? I'm all jacked up now. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, hold on, I'll bring it back, Yeah, boy! Oh man, that's another nice one. Woohoo! Not as big. Not as big, but hey, frog bite is on. Look at that fish. That's a nice looking one. I'll get him in the water a little bit. All right. That's 2 on the frog. Oh my gosh, you got a bluegill. I'm gonna. It was a sunfish, huh? Right on the nose.
Right up the nose.
That's what's been hitting your line. I don't think it's been bass. They've just been nibbling on your, there's a ton of them in here. Keep tension on them. Ooh, that's a nice one, Ryan. Nice. He's got some color on him. Nice little guy, dude.
Didn't even hardly feel him.
Really?
Yeah.
Got on the Cinco, wacky. Nice. All right, that's 1 for Ryan, 2 for me. Well, Ryan got 2, actually. He got a bluegill. So we're all tied up. It's a fish, but you want to hand me that water? I'm parched. Ryan's on the board again. You can probably boat flip that one, huh? Or here, I'll get him actually. I'll get him on the net. Get some good net shots here. Nice, dude. The Cinco is producing.
Boy, they got some beautiful colors.
Yeah, they do. They're out in that sun. Nice. Those are real good. Sweet. It's 2-2. Okay, I can boat flip this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. That's 3 on the frog. These are quality ones too. Oh, man, I'm just loving this frog bite. I mean, it don't get much better than that right there. Let's see what he measures. He's gone. That was
I guess you don't lay him down without keeping a hold on him.
yeah, I don't know what I was I don't know. I'm not messing with this. I'm not kayak fishing here. Well, that was a solid 2.5-er, probably a little more. It's all right. Oh, what was that? Let me cast up in there. Yeah, he would have been close to 3, but we'll call it 2.5 to be conservative. So I'm at what, 8.5 now? 8.5 pounds. Pretty good. It's the best I've done. These are quality fish coming off of this frog.